All right. Um, so I'm going to be talking about this particular Docker file for this project. It's basically building a Go project. So what we are doing is it's a multi-stage kind of build. This is the first build, and this is like the second build, right? So the second build depends on the first build. The first build is the one that actually build the resulting artifact, right? The Go program. Now the second one simply copies it and runs it, right? So it copies it, yeah, and anytime you want to execute, it simply runs the artifact. So basically, what the first one does is that it simply uh, think of like specify the working directory, right, where we are going to be working from, right, and the working directory is going to be this thing. It simply creates Go source, GitHub, cam to cam, Terraboard. So basically, if you notice, the working directory kind of matches the GitHub project path, right? Now, what we are simply going to do is it's going to copy everything inside this particular Terraboard project. It's going to copy it inside this working directory. And it's going to enable Go mod. So since I'm using Golang version 12, that means that inside the Go part, it's probably going to act, uh, it's going to act like, before Go mod was introduced, and outside the path is going to act using Go mod, right? So for those that don't understand what that means, try to look into this particular environmental variable. Simply means that, well, depending on the Golang version, it simply means that inside the Golang path is going to act, the way it behaves where before Go module was introduced. And outside the Go part, it's going to act with Go mod on. That's the default action, right? Uh, that takes place. Now we are going to then after this has been set, we are going to run make terraboard, and what that does is that it's simply going to run the make file, and you can look into here. You're going to see the make file here, which I'm going to be going through sometime in the future what each of those lines mean. Now after it's properly built, what is going to happen is that then the resulting artifacts, right? So after we remember, this is the goal source part, right? So the resulting artifact, the resulting program is also going to be named Terraboard, right? So we are going to create start just a blank image, right? The blank image, the working directory is going to be root, and we are going to copy everything in the static folder, right? This is the static folder. Where the hell is? So this is static the folder. We are going to copy it into the root slash static. Now we are going to copy this particular file from this builder, the first build, right? And also from the first build, we are going to copy the resulting artifact, right? After we finish building this particular part, the resulting artifact, which is this guy, we're going to copy it and post it and into the root working directory for this second image. And we specify the entry point as terrible. That means that anytime the image is started, this is going to be the first point of execution, right? Yeah, so that's what the Docker file is going to be. So this for a Go program, it's actually very simple, right? Yeah, thank you.